Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install DBeaver on Windows operating system. So to download the software in Google search box right there, DBeaver, then click on this DBeaver IO site. Click this, and this you can get their DBeaver Community and Pro. So Community that support this feature, and here Pro you can get this all. So let's click on this Pro, learn more. Click on this learn more. Then you can get this switch to DBeaver Pro. Click on this get started, and now click on this download exe file. So file here 366 MB is there. This is currently downloading. This here you can get for 14 days trial, and this is available for Mac, Linux. You can also use in Eclipse. Now here you can see this is currently downloading. DBeaver Enterprise Edition. This is for Windows exe file is there. So here the total size 366 MB is there. Only 5 seconds that's left. So this is done here. Now simply you can click on this open. Now this place you can select your language. Click on OK. Then next I agree for me. Then here you can see associate SQL files, SQLite, and this you can check there. Now thereafter click on next and next and install. So now here DBeaver Enterprise Edition is now currently installing. So this here PowerShell. Now let's click on this create desktop icon. There you can see DBeaver Enterprise Edition that's come there. You need to simply click this Universal Database Manager starting the DBeaver Enterprise. Here this is for no license found. You can click on this import license, or let's click on this trial. Here you need to give this email, first name and the company. Let's give their email. Now here you can see after processing this license, trial license, then you can get this all. Click on yes. So this here sample database that's from SQLite that's come there. Okay, after that here you can do the connection with this popular database like ODBC, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, and Redshift, etc. So currently I'm not going to do this, and here this is the sample database. This is tables that's purchased there. So this is how we can install this or DBeaver Enterprise. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.